How to add payment icons under Add to Cart button on Shopify. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add payment icons right under the Add to Cart button on your Shopify store. This simple tweak can boost trust and improve your store's design. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Today, I'm going to walk you through a very simple and effective tutorial on how to add payment icons right below the Buy It Now button on your Shopify product page. This is a really useful customization, and it only takes a few minutes to implement. But before we dive into the steps, let's take a moment to understand why adding these icons can be so beneficial for your online store. Displaying trusted payment icons, like Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, and others, right below your Buy button helps build trust with your customers. It instantly shows them which payment methods you accept and gives them confidence that their purchase will be secure. This small visual cue can make a big difference in reducing hesitation and boosting your conversion rate. Now that we understand the value, let's move on to the actual steps to get these payment icons perfectly placed in your Shopify store. It also helps improve conversion rates by reassuring customers that their transactions are safe and secure. On top of that, it provides clear and immediate information about the available payment options, which can reduce hesitation and make the buying process feel smoother for your visitors. Now, let's begin with the first method, which is using your theme settings. Some Shopify themes come with built-in options that allow you to display payment icons directly on your product pages. No coding required. To get started, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, go to your online store, then click on the Themes section. You'll see your current theme listed. Click the Customize button next to it. Now you'll be taken into the theme editor. At the top, use the drop-down to navigate to the Product Pages section. In some themes, it might be labeled as Default Product or something similar. Once you're inside the product page editor, look for Theme Settings. This is usually found in the bottom left or top right corner, depending on your theme layout. Inside Theme Settings, try to locate sections related to payment icons or footer settings. You may see categories like Cart, buttons, product cards, containers, badges, or even social media settings. In this example, my theme unfortunately doesn't provide a direct option for displaying payment icons under the Buy button. But don't worry, your theme might support it. So be sure to explore your Sections tab as well, since some themes allow you to manually insert blocks or sections that include payment icons. If your theme doesn't offer this feature, don't worry. We'll move on to a second method using a small code snippet that works with any theme. Next, if your theme supports it, you can go into the footer section of your theme settings. In many Shopify themes, the footer includes a built-in toggle to show or hide accepted payment icons. So, for example, in my current theme, I can simply go into the footer settings and either enable or disable the Show Payment Icons option. Once enabled, these icons should automatically appear at the bottom of your site. Typically in the footer area, the displayed icons are based on the payment methods you've activated in your Shopify payment settings. This means you'll see icons like PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, and others, depending on which payment options you've configured. Now let's move on to the second method, using the theme editor code. This method gives you more control and allows you to place the payment icons exactly where you want them, such as directly below the Buy It Now button on your product page. We're already inside the Theme Customizer, so from here, navigate to the Product Pages section. In this case, choose Default Product to edit the product template. Within this template, you'll see a section labeled something like Product Information. It usually includes elements like Product Title, Quantity Selector, Add to Cart button, and the Buy It Now button. What we want to do is insert a new block or code snippet just below the Buy It Now button. To do that, click on Add Block within the Product Information section. From the list of block types, choose Custom Liquid. Once the new Custom Liquid block is added, click on it to open the code editor. Now inside this Custom Liquid field, we'll insert a short piece of liquid code to render the payment icons. This ensures that the icons will appear directly underneath the Buy button, giving your customers immediate visual confirmation of accepted payment methods. Before we enter the code, I recommend opening a new browser tab and heading over to ChatGPT, which has been incredibly helpful for generating quick and clean snippets of liquid code for Shopify. You can ask it for a simple block that displays Shopify's supported payment icons and paste the code right here into your custom liquid block. Once added, just save the changes, preview your product page, and you should now see the payment icons nicely placed under the Buy It Now button. Now, if you're someone who doesn't have any experience with coding or Shopify's backend, don't worry, this method is still very beginner-friendly. You can simply head over to ChatGPT and explain exactly what you're trying to achieve. For instance, you can type something like, "Give me a CSS code to display payment icons below the Buy It Now button on my Shopify product page." It's really important to specify that you're working within Shopify, so the AI provides code that's compatible with Shopify's structure. Once you enter your request, ChatGPT will usually respond with a simple CSS or liquid code snippet. This snippet is designed to be pasted directly into the custom liquid block we added earlier in the theme editor. This little block of code creates a centered section just below your Buy button and displays the payment icons as an image. The most important step here is to replace the image URL with your own image containing the payment icons you want to show. To find that image, open a new browser tab. Search for Payment Icons PNG Transparent Background. Look for an image that contains popular payment logos like Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, etc. Make sure the image has no background, transparent PNG, so it looks clean and blends well with your site's design. Once you find the right image, copy its direct URL. Paste that URL into the source part of the image code. After pasting the code and saving your changes, go to your product page to see the icons appear beautifully below your Buy It Now button. No advanced coding required. After pasting the code, just go back to your Shopify theme editor and make sure everything looks good. If the icons aren't showing correctly, double-check that you've used the direct image link. Also, make sure the CSS selector you're targeting in your theme, usually something like .productform_buttons, matches your specific theme's button class. If it doesn't, you'll need to inspect your page using your browser's developer tools and identify the correct class name to replace it with. This ensures your icons appear in the right place, just below the Buy It Now button. And that's basically it. If you want to go a step further, you can even ask ChatGPT to help you adjust the height, width, margins, or font size of the icons. Just specify what you want to change, and it will give you a customized snippet of CSS you can copy and paste right into your custom liquid block, aligned properly below the button, like this example here. And there you have it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials here on the channel to help you level up your Shopify store, especially when it comes to coding and design elements. Thanks again, and see you next time.